Welcome to our channel Easy Driver. We are very happy to have you visit us. In this video we will be telling you how to replace your wiper blades by yourself if you choose to do so. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Wiper blades are an essential component of your vehicle that ensure clear visibility during inclement weather conditions. Over time, these blades can wear out and compromise their effectiveness. Fortunately, you can easily replace them yourself with a few tools and a little know-how. We will guide you through the process of DIY wiper blade replacement, from gathering the necessary tools to installing the new blades. Gather the necessary tools. Before you begin replacing your wiper blades, it's important to gather the following tools. New wiper blades. Make sure to purchase the correct size and type of wiper blades for your specific vehicle. Refer to the vehicle's owner's manual or see an automotive specialist to ensure compatibility. Screwdriver or pliers. Depending on your vehicle's make and model, you may need a screwdriver or pliers to remove the old blades. Cleaning cloth or paper towel. It's recommended to have a cleaning cloth or paper towel on hand to wipe away any debris or dirt during the replacement process. Removing the old blades. To remove the old wiper blades, follow these steps. Lift the wiper arm. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Locate the release tab. Inspect the wiper blade for a small release tab or locking mechanism. This will vary depending on the wiper blade design. Depress the release tab. With the release tab depressed, slide the old wiper blade off the wiper arm. Repeat for the other wiper blade. Perform the same steps for the other wiper blade, ensuring you handle each one separately. Follow these steps to install the new wiper blades. Align the new blade. Place the new wiper blade onto the wiper arm, aligning it with the appropriate attachment point. Lock the blade into place. Carefully slide the new blade onto the wiper arm until it locks securely. Repeat for the other wiper blade. Test the wiper blades. Lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield and test the new blades by operating the wiper system. Ensure they move smoothly and provide proper visibility. By following these simple steps, you can easily replace your wiper blades and maintain optimal visibility on the road. Professional wiper blade replacement. To maintaining your vehicle's safety and visibility, wiper blade replacement is a crucial task that should not be overlooked. While some car owners may attempt to replace their wiper blades themselves, there are distinct advantages to opting for professional installation. Let's explore the benefits of professional installation and guide you on finding a reliable service center for your wiper blade replacement needs. Having your wiper blades replaced by a professional offers several advantages over a DIY approach. Expertise and experience. Professional technicians have the necessary expertise and experience to identify the most suitable wiper blades for your specific vehicle. They are trained to understand the various types of wiper blades available in the market and select the ones that provide the best fit and performance for your car. Proper installation. Incorrectly installed wiper blades can lead to streaking, smearing, and reduced visibility during inclement weather conditions. Professional installers have the skill and knowledge to ensure that the wiper blades are correctly fitted, adjusted, and aligned. This ensures optimal performance and a clear field of vision while driving. Time and convenience. DIY wiper blade replacement can be time-consuming, particularly for those who are unfamiliar with the process. Opting for professional installation saves you the hassle of researching and purchasing the right wiper blades and spending valuable time installing them yourself. Instead, you can rely on the efficiency of a professional service to get the job done quickly and effectively. When it comes to entrusting your vehicle to a service center for wiper blade replacement, it is essential to find a reliable and trustworthy provider. Here are some tips to help you in your search. Read customer reviews. Look for service centers that have positive reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers. Online forums can provide valuable reviews into the quality of service provided by various centers. Check certifications and affiliations. Ensure that the service center you choose has certified technicians and is affiliated with reputable automotive organizations. Certifications and affiliations indicate their commitment to maintaining industry standards and providing quality service. Personal referrals can help you find trusted establishments with a track record of excellent customer service. Compare prices. The cost should not be the sole factor, but it is still essential to compare prices among different service centers. However, prioritize quality of service and reputation when making the final decision. Remember, professional wiper blade replacement not only ensures your safety on the road but also extends the longevity of your wiper blades. By making an informed choice and selecting a reliable service center, you can enjoy the benefits of professional installation and maximize your driving experience in all weather conditions. In summary, regular wiper blade replacement is crucial for maintaining clear visibility and safe driving conditions. By replacing your worn-out wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, you can ensure optimal performance and a streak-free windshield. Remember to choose the correct size and type of wiper blades for your vehicle, and don't forget to clean them regularly to remove debris and prolong their lifespan. With these simple maintenance steps, you can enhance your driving experience and stay safe on the road, rain or shine. Stay proactive and prioritize wiper blade replacement to maximize your safety and driving comfort. Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe.